Hi everybody, John Davin with another video on how to sell domain names for a profit. And the next video is going to talk about, how to find people who have a need for the domain name that you're selling. So I have a web domain name called reversingheartdisease.com, and what I want to do is find people who would want that domain. So I went to Google and typed in reversing heart disease, and here are domain names. Hi, this is John Davin, and another video on ways to find buyers for your domain names and websites from this website isforsale.com, and to make a profit. So again, how to find buyers of your websites and domain names to make a profit. So the first thing I did when I found out that I had just bought a domain name called reversinghypertension.com was I went to Google to find out if there were many websites related to it, and there are. There are just 2,380,000 results and one book that is that exact title name. I always get excited when I find that, because I know that that person who wrote that book may just like to have that particular name, that domain name, even if they just forward it to their other website. Maybe they have their name.com as their main website, or a different name for all of their books or whatever. Bottom line is, they could create a website called reversinghypertension.com and get it ranked in the search engines, and then just have this picture right here of the book that they wrote for sale. So, again, if they have other related products and services that they're selling besides the book, if they're a doctor and they wrote the book, then maybe they're trying to get grants to help with reversing hypertension or whatever the case may be. So that's the first place I look, is I go ahead and go there. Another place I go to then is to look at books that are for sale. For example, I have another one called About Reversing Heart Disease, and so there's a book that is very close to that title, Reversing Heart Disease. I can get a hold of this gentleman who basically could use that domain name to do the same exact thing. Get it ranked in the search engines and have links to his book, his website, his services, that kind of situation. So lots and lots of ways to find people who need the domain name or website that you offer. All right, John Davin, see you in the next video.